Oh, Father dear, I often hear you talk of Heaven's Isle, our lofty scenes and valleys green, our mountains rude and wild. They say she is a pretty place wherein a prince might dwell. Then why did you abandon it? The reason to me tell. My son, I loved our native home with energy and pride, until a blight came on our crops, our sheep and cattle died. Rent and taxes were too high, I could not them redeem, and that's a cruel reason why I left old Skibbereen. How well I do remember that bleak November day. The landlord and the sheriff came to drive us all away. They burnt our homes, their naked guns, their cursed English spleen, and that's another reason why I left old Skibbereen. Your mother too, God rest her soul, fell on the snowy ground. She fainted in her anguish, seeing the desolation round. She failed the way on that day from life to mortal dream, and left a quiet grave, my boy, on dear old Skibbereen. And you were scarcely 2 years old, and feeble was your frame. I could not leave you with my friends, you bore your father's name. So I wrapped you in my cotton hoar, in the dead of night unseen. I heaved a sigh and bade goodbye to dear old Skibbereen. Father dear, the day may come when an answer to the call. Each Irishman with feeling strong will rally one and all. I'll be the man who leads the band beneath a flag of green, and loud and high we'll raise the cry, remember Skibbereen. Yes, loud and high we'll raise the cry, remember Skibbereen.